How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. If you've got one of these Milwaukee M12 2475-20 compact inflators, one of the Milwaukee M18 2848-20 inflator, the brand new one, or even one of these boost packs with the onboard tire inflator, chances are you've got these connections on your airline. Now I'm going to show you a very important and very cheap modification you can do to make these much more user-friendly that will not void the warranty. Let me show you what I'm talking about. 9 times out of 10, when you got a flat tire or you even got to air one up, it's generally not a nice sunny warm day. Usually it's dark, it's cold, it's raining, or you're on the side of the highway, and generally you're not in the mood for messing around. My main pet peeve of these inflators is the thread-on connection. You know, if you're a nut and bolt guy, generally you don't have a problem threading it on. But if it's sub-zero and you got big bulky gloves on, or you know, you got arthritis or carpal tunnel syndrome or any kind of problem with your hand, you're going to have issues with these thread-on style. Not to mention, if you're not quick enough getting these unthreaded, you're going to be letting out more air than you just put in. So I was thinking, you know what, there's got to be an easier way. There's got to be a way that you can convert this to the regular just clip-on style connection. So I got on Amazon, started looking around. Let me show you what I came up with. So you could easily enough just cut this end off and put a different fitting on. But the minute you do that, if you have a problem with this, you send it under warranty, chances are your warranty is going to be void if they've seen you've messed around with that. So what I found on Amazon was one of these adapters. It's got the push-on, clip-on connection, and just this little adapter. And you just easily thread it on, tighten her up. Now you got this clip-on style. It's much easier and user-friendly to air up your tire. So now you've gone from this to this, and you're done. In my opinion, if you got one of these cordless inflators, it's definitely one of the smartest modifications you can do. It's quick, it's easy, and it makes life so much easier if you got big bulky gloves on or just have issues with your hands. And if something ever happens to one of your units and it breaks down and you gotta send it in for warranty, just spin it off, send it in, and you're good to go. If you're interested in picking one of these up for yourself, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video. That way you can click on it and buy one for yourself. Just want to end this video by thanking one of my new subscribers, Eddie Owenby. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate all my subscribers. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Anyway, YouTube, have a good night, everybody, and thanks for watching.